How do you, some guys like, well, I could just put that money in a savings account. I could spend $70 every single month in my savings account, and in the next 8 years, I'll have my money's worth, right? That's the objection that you're talking about. I love to ask. I literally love to acknowledge. Yeah, that's actually, so rule number one of all objections is to acknowledge and agree with the objection, even if it doesn't make sense. You just be like, absolutely. Yeah, I totally understand. It's actually really smart. Yeah, you could put your money in your savings account. And, over the next few years, maybe you can have enough money. But let me ask you this quick question, Masood. Have you been putting the $71 every single month in your bank account? No, I guess why not? Oh, okay, gotcha. So it sounds like, you're gonna start doing it, but like as of now, you haven't been putting that $71, away in your bank account, right? And what would happen if you don't continue to keep putting that $70 in your bank account? What would happen then? Like, how would you pay for your burial expenses? Oh, I'm not really sure. So that's why this could be an option, Mister. Mr. Masood, with final expense or life insurance, it's something that you can already plan, no matter if it happens today or in 10 years that your family's taken care of. Is that valuable to you? Yeah, that is okay. And what makes you say that? Okay. So instead of you saying that hypothetically you're going to start putting your money into a bank account, would it be helpful or to give you the peace of mind knowing that if you made this decision today, your family would be taken care of and you don't have to worry about, changing the money over, putting it in a bank account, and you can actually protect your family today? Would that be helpful for you? And I go along those angles. But really, the main point is, well, have you been putting the money in your bank account today? Have you been doing that already? No, I haven't. Why not? So they say hypothetically I could do that, but they're not doing it. So it's like, why are you always capping?